So this lesson is on section 9.8, compound event. And a compound event consists of two or more simple events. And if the outcome of one event does not affect the outcome of the second event, then the events are called independent events. And the probability of two independent events can be found by multiplying the probability of the first event by the probability of the second event. So my first example is that a coin in a number cube is rolled. So find the probability of tossing tails and rolling a 5. So what's the chance that I toss a tail and I roll a 5? Well, I first have to say, okay, well, on a coin I can either have a head or a tail. So the chance of me flipping a tail is 1 out of 2 different outcomes. So I can get a head or a tail. Tail is 1 outcome out of 2 possible ones. And then I have to think, okay, what's the chance of me actually rolling a 5? Well, there's 6 different outcomes on a number cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 5 is 1 out of the 6 different outcomes. So all I have to do is multiply 1/2 times 1/6 to get 2/12, which is the same as 1/6. So the probability of tossing a tail and rolling a 5 is 1/6. Again, I just multiplied each probability and got my final outcome of 1/6. So my next example is to find the probability of rolling a 2 and then an even number on 2 rolls of a number cube. Okay, so I first have to find what's the probability of me rolling a 2 on a number cube first. So the probability of rolling a 2, well, again, there's 6 outcomes on a number cube, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and the outcome of 2 is 1 out of those 6 different outcomes. So the probability of rolling a 2 is 1/6. And then the probability of rolling an even number, so think of even numbers as 2, 4, and 6 on a number cube, so that's 3 different options out of 6 options total. So I can roll a 2, a 4, and a 6. Those are all even numbers out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 different options. So I'm going to multiply 1/6 times 3/6 to get 3/6, or 3/6 reduces to 1/2. So my probability is 1/2, or I can even say 50%. So that brings me to the end of this lesson on compound events. Again, all you have to do is take the probability of each situation and then multiply them together.